We're back with another awesome property here in Medellin, Colombia. This one is located in the neighborhood of Campestre in El Poblado. It's near the Golden Mile and near to all of the restaurants, cafes, etc. The great thing about it is that it's also a flat area and it's close to Avenida Poblado, so you can walk everywhere if you wanted to, or you're a 5-minute cab ride from Provenza and all of the other touristy things to do in town. This one's amazing. As you can see, the first thing that you notice is that there's a living room here on the left and the kitchen is right next to it. I like the fact that this is all redone. This is turnkey. You don't have to do anything to this property. If you don't want to, you can move in or put it up on Airbnb immediately. This kitchen is awesome. I love this countertop here with the American bar with the 2 bar stools there overlooking the living room area. I also like the fact that they didn't put a TV in there just to make it more social so people have to talk to each other. That's what I like to do in my apartments too. This is the laundry area. Easily fits the washer dryer combo there. This is the maid's quarters, which has a full bath in it as well. I don't know why they didn't knock down that wall, but I wouldn't be opposed to having a maid living in the apartment if you were living in it though. This is the living room area here, which could be also the dining area if you wanted to put like a dining table there. But it overlooks this green area here. That's the beautiful thing about living in Medellin, is that you never get away from the beautiful scenery. So as we turn over here into the rest of the living room, you can see that there is a dining table there. I think the distribution is great. They did a good job. Obviously, no one's living in it right now. They're basically moved out, but it's halfway furnished. But it still looks great. You can really see yourself in it with this furniture already in it. So I think it's great that they left it in so that when you go see it, by the way, if you do want to go see it, click the link in the description to our form, fill that out, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. This is the first half bath here, the common bathroom. Again, beautifully redone. I love the sinks. I love the modern touches. I would say that this is modern style design. This is the first bedroom with an en-suite bathroom and access to the balcony as well, which is really awesome. And this balcony is pretty big. As you can see, it's all flat in this area, so it's very walkable. And you've got El Club Campestre, which is nearby, basically the country club, which has tennis courts. There's a golf course in it as well. So you obviously have access to that if you wanted to pay into it. So that's that balcony. This is the room here. I think it could easily fit a queen size bed. You could probably squeeze a king size bed in there, but this apartment's pretty big. It's 231 square meters, which comes out to be just shy of 2,500 square feet. The listing price on this one is $405,000 US. This is the master bedroom right here, which is ginormous. You could definitely fit a king size bed in here. Again, access to that balcony. It has a view into the valley as well. Again, this is the asking price on this one is $405,000 US. The price per square meter comes out to be $7,316,000, and new construction's at about $14 million, so you can gauge. This is the walk-in closet, by the way. So imagine $14 million for brand new construction. This is a remodeled apartment in Campestre neighborhood, which is very safe, very sought after because it's close to everything, and it's at $7,316,000 pesos per square meter, which comes out to be about $1,800 per square meter. So it's a very, very good price for what you have because it's completely remodeled. And this is the other big bedroom. It also has an en-suite bathroom and walk-in closet. That master bedroom is awesome. You could probably make one of these into an office or maybe some of the space out there if you are going to be living in it. So yeah, this is at a very good price for what you have here, which is a completely remodeled to almost 2,500 square foot apartment, and you can rent it out on Airbnb. It's perfect for that, or it's perfect for you to live in, even if it's just part-time. But this is a place that you could definitely call home. So if you are interested in purchasing this property, or if you're interested in looking at this property, or you're interested in finding something similar or anything in Medellin, you can contact us by clicking on the link in the description, filling out the form, and then someone on our team will get back to you as soon as possible. We'll get on a call and figure out what you need. And once you get down here, we'll have properties to look at.